Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an order on AliExpress. So it's really simple and easy. Simply open up your AliExpress app. Now you can do so on the browser as well. If you want to do on browser, you can search for simply AliExpress on your browser, and once you do so, you will be headed into the official website and you have to log in with your account. Now I'm on the app and I'm already logged in. You have to be logged in as well. Now to cancel an order, first you will have to go to the list of your orders. Now to do so, simply on the bottom of the screen you can see various options. There you want to tap on account option at the bottom right corner, and once you do so, here you can see various options. Now under my orders you can see to pay the ship, to shipped, and to review. Simply tap on view all option along with my orders option, and your all orders, your processing orders especially, and all orders will be shown up here. And if the cancellation is available now, if the item is already shipped, then you won't be able to cancel it. But if not, here on the processing page you will get the cancellation option. There you will be easily able to cancel it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.